hello friends and students, this is Abhishek Jagadde, also known as Mighty Abhishek, as you are watching this video on this channel. So today's video is very interesting, and today we are going to talk about habits that you need to replace for your own success. Yeah, you heard it correct. The habits you need to replace for your own success. Yeah, so before moving on to the video, do subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, then share with your friends. Alright, so now let's start the video. So, point number one, yeah, you need to replace your Netflix binging habit or your Amazon Prime, whatever your show binging habits with sleep. You know that is very important. Sleep is very important. What we do, हम क्या करते हैं during the time when we need to sleep at night, we move on, like we binge on movies, we binge on series, we binge on shows, so that ऐसा चाहते हैं कि अगर भी एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो गया तो हम देखेंगे, ये शो देखेंगे, वो शो देखेंगे, और हम सोना भूल जाते हैं यार. पर क्या होता है, वी नीड एटलीस्ट 8 hours ऑफ स्लीप. 8 hours ऑफ स्लीप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर माइंड एंड फॉर आवर बॉडी, बिकॉज 8 hours ऑफ स्लीप रिजुविनेट्स आवर माइंड एंड आवर बॉडी, सो दैट हमको कुछ नेक्स्ट डे कुछ थकान नहीं होता. नहीं तो हम क्या करते, जब हम बिंज वॉच करते हैं, द नेक्स्ट डे आइदर वी स्लीप टिल नून, or either we are very lethargy or we are very lazy. So we need to replace our Netflix habits into 8 hours of sleep. Minimum 8 hours of sleep is required. Point number two is also very interesting. You need to replace those fake influencers in your life with real influencers or mentors. As you have seen my previous videos, I always speak about this point. Always have some real influencers or mentors in your life, because they are the ones who will show you the pathway to success. ठीक है, एक ऐसा टीचर लो, एक ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंसर लो जिनसे तुम कुछ सीख सको. सो तुम्हारा जो गोल होता है वो क्लियर हो जाता है. ठीक है, अगर अभी तो तुम्हारे पास टीचर्स है, अगर नहीं है तो यू कैन सर्च मेनी थिंग्स ऑन यूट्यूब, बट फॉलो द रियल इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, बिकॉज दे विल शो यू द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू सक्सेस, बिकॉज दे आर द वंस हु पुट अप देयर हार्ड वर्क ओनली फॉर यू, so that you can claim all the success. Yeah. So point number 3, remove or replace those toxic friends with real friends. Alright, toxic friends are the ones who will always pull you down, they will always envy you. ठीक है, वो तुमसे बहुत जले होंगे, बस मुंह मतलब फेस के सामने they will act as your friends, they will care for you, but no, deep inside they are the ones who are the reason you are in this mess. Always remember that. Always replace toxic friends or toxic people with real, hearty and original people, because they are the ones who will pull you up at every stage. Alright, just replace the toxic people. Maybe it's good to have a small circle. Believe me, it's always better to have a smaller circle rather than having a big circle with lots of friends who won't be there for you in tough times. I have always spoken about this point. Just remove the toxicity in your life. Alright. Fourth point is your basic behavior point. You need to replace those complaining habit with gratitude habit, because you know there is no point in complaining. ठीक है, मज़ा आता है कंप्लेन करने में. डोंट एक्ट लाइक अ बेबी. यू जस्ट नीड टू रिप्लेस द कंप्लेनिंग हैबिट विद हैबिट ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड, बिकॉज you know it matters. It shows where you are from. All right, show some gratitude. Agar if you are having some problem, rather than complaining about it, find a way to solve the problem, because a problem won't go anywhere unless you yourself will solve it. Yeah, so you need to find a way or take someone's help to solve the problem. Yeah, think of it, the problem is as a word problem from maths. You need to write certain steps, certain formulas, so that there will be a solution. That is what life is. You will get many problems. Just take someone's help or use your brain to find out solutions. That's how life is. Yeah, so the next point is very important for you students. You know what? Because the next point is about failure. Yeah, replace the failure symptoms or the fear of failure with learning, because it's okay to fail. Everyone fails in their life. You know what? Everyone fails in your life. Your parents, your friends, your relatives, everyone has failed one time or another. But they learn from that failure. They learn from their mistakes, so they can succeed it. Alright, so if you learn from your failure, you will acquire success. It's as simple as that. इफ़ यू गेट फेल, अगर तुम कभी सब्जेक्ट में फेल हो जाते हो, अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम में फेल हो जाते हो, तो इससे हैरस नहीं होने का, बिल्कुल हैरस होना ही नहीं. ठीक है, People will say many things, but ignore them. Just focus on your mistakes, learn from them, so that when you will sit in the examination again, you know how to tackle these problems, so that फिर नंबर अच्छे आ जाएंगे. It's as simple as that. Hard work and persistence to learn from those mistakes, and then you will acquire success. It's very easy, but it takes time. That is the hard part. It takes time. Alright? Yeah, so the next point is you need to replace your filthy magazines or your time pass magazines or your leisure time magazines with, some self-improvement books, because knowledge is mighty. Yeah, that's why that is the name of the Mighty Abhishek, because knowledge will take you to places where these magazines won't take you. Alright, but magazines will publish your work which you have read from these books. So some self-development books and some books related to your goals are very important, because you need to invest your time in reading such good books. Alright, you just open your Google or open your Amazon, Flipkart, and search some self-development books, because believe me, it will help you in every way. Alright, school books are there for your basic knowledge, but you will get your experience and some insights from these development books, and of course your life, because it will teach you many things. So the last point is the most important one, because it is related to your health. Yeah, as you all know, health is wealth. So replace those alcohol and cigarettes with good diet and good nutrition and good food, because जैसे तुम ऐसे शौक बोलते हो, एन्जॉयमेंट बोलते हो, नशा बोलते हो, that will take your life down. It will like rip your life apart. Alright, so focus on good diet, good food, drink enough water, just make your body a temple. Alright, this statement is very powerful. Make your body a temple. Alright, eat good, drink good, sleep good, sleep well. Alright, because this habit will make your health a strong point, because if your health is strong, you can achieve everything, but if your health is at risk, you can't do anything. Yeah, that is the bitter truth of life. Alright, अच्छा खाओ, अच्छा पियो, अच्छे से रहो. Alright, this is the basic thing. Don't put your life at risk. Alright, because if your life is at risk, if your health is at risk, you will be attacked with many problems, which you will not understand now, but later in your life you will regret. The only word is regret. Alright, so I hope you watched this video till the end, and if you do watch it, which is now, then like the video, share the video with your family and your friends, especially your friends, and do subscribe the video, because it will motivate me to make more videos only for you. And yeah, enjoy.